Hello, cherished souls. Welcome to Ripples of Affirmations, where we dive into the vast ocean of positivity. If you're seeking to strengthen the bond with your partner, you're in for a treat. In the next 6 minutes, join us on a journey of affirmations designed to nurture and deepen the connection between you and your beloved. Stay with us until the end to cultivate a harmonious dance of love and understanding. Your path to a more profound partner connection begins now. Instructions *. 1. Find a cozy and quiet space where you and your partner can be present with each other. These affirmations are crafted to enhance the connection between you both. 2. As we explore these affirmations, share gentle moments of eye contact and embrace. Let the words become bridges connecting the hearts, fostering a deeper understanding. 3. Take turns affirming these words to each other, allowing the positive energy to flow between you. Feel the warmth of the affirmations creating a sacred space for your partnership. 4. If you resonate with these affirmations, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube. Share this video with those who may benefit from a strengthened connection with their partners. Your engagement helps create positive ripples. Until our paths cross again, take care. Affirmations *. Our love is a journey, and with each passing day, our connection deepens. In your eyes, I find a reflection of a love that grows stronger with every heartbeat. Together, we create a safe haven where our hearts dance in perfect harmony. Our partnership is a tapestry woven with threads of love, trust, and understanding. I appreciate the unique qualities that make you and our connection truly special. Our love story is a beautiful masterpiece, evolving with every shared moment. With open hearts, we communicate authentically, building a foundation of trust. In the ebb and flow of life, our love remains a constant, grounding force. I cherish the laughter we share, for it creates a melody that resonates in our hearts. Our connection is a sanctuary where vulnerability is embraced and cherished. Through challenges and triumphs, our love only deepens, revealing its enduring strength. In your presence, I find solace, knowing that we are each other's unwavering support. We are two souls intertwined, navigating the journey of life hand in hand. Every word of affirmation we share is a building block, constructing a love that stands the test of time. Our connection is a garden, and we nurture it with patience, kindness, and devotion. Together, we create a legacy of love that will echo through the generations. Our bond is an intricate dance, a beautiful rhythm of shared dreams and aspirations. In our partnership, I discover the true meaning of companionship and unity. Every challenge we face strengthens our bond, for we face it together, as a united front. Our love is a beacon, guiding us through the storms and illuminating the path of joy. I am grateful for the journey we share, and I look forward to the adventures that await us. Our connection is a masterpiece, painted with the vibrant colors of passion and understanding. In your embrace, I find warmth, comfort, and the assurance that I am truly home. Our partnership is a mirror reflecting the growth and evolution of our individual selves. With each shared dream, we build a bridge to a future filled with love and possibilities. Our love is a melody, and together, we compose a symphony of happiness and contentment. In the quiet moments, our souls speak a language of love that transcends spoken words. Our connection is a blessing, and I am grateful for the love that graces our shared journey. We celebrate the uniqueness of our individual paths, recognizing that our love unites them in a beautiful tapestry. In your presence, I find strength, encouragement, and the motivation to be the best version of myself. Our love is a source of inspiration, igniting creativity and passion in all aspects of our lives. I am mindful of the small gestures that strengthen our bond and express our love for each other. Our partnership is a collaboration where we both contribute to the masterpiece of our shared life. In times of uncertainty, our love remains a steady anchor, grounding us in the sea of life. Our connection is a dance of reciprocity, where each partner gives and receives with an open heart. I appreciate the growth we experience as individuals within the sanctuary of our partnership. Our love is a gentle breeze that carries away the stresses of life, leaving behind tranquility. In our shared silence, our hearts speak a language of understanding that words cannot capture. Our partnership is a story of resilience, a narrative woven with threads of love, commitment, and perseverance. I am grateful for the shared dreams we nurture, creating a future filled with love and fulfillment. Our love is a flame that burns brightly, casting away the shadows and illuminating the path forward. In our partnership, I find a haven where I can be my authentic self, embraced and accepted. Our connection is a source of joy, laughter, and the understanding that comes from knowing each other's hearts. I am blessed to walk this journey with you, and I cherish the moments that define our love story. Our love is a garden of possibilities, and I am excited to see the flowers of our shared dreams bloom. In your love, I find strength, courage, and the reassurance that I am never alone. Our partnership is a voyage, and I am grateful for the adventures we embark on together. Conclusion **. Thank you for immersing yourself in these affirmations for partner connection with Ripples of Affirmations. If you found these words resonating with your heart, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube for more positive content. Share this video with those looking to enhance their connection with their partners. Until our paths cross again, take care.